video, what we're going to be trying to do is stretch the iliotibial band. Now that's a band of ligamentous tissue that runs from the outer part of the hip down the side of the thigh and into the side of the knee. It's often quite a problem with runners, people with weak buttock muscles, people with tight inner thigh muscles, and it can cause, if it is tight, it can cause knee pain, it can cause hip pain, it can cause difficulty with lying on your side, and if it is quite tight, it's really important to stretch it off, and you want to be quite effective when you do stretch it off, and we're going to show you that technique now. So you're going to be lying on your side using a yoga block or a folded towel or a pillow for your head support. Just make yourself as comfortable as you can be. And when you're in this position, you're going to draw both of your knees just slightly up in front of you. That's excellent. And then you're going to take hold of the foot of your top leg and draw the knee backwards. So the heel is coming to the buttock and your knee is coming in line with the hip. And you're going to drop that knee down towards the floor. And with the base leg there, you're just going to lift the foot and pop it on top of your knee, drawing that knee down to the floor. Now in this instance here we've reached the floor. It's a very good stretch. There's a lot of flexibility. If you are tight through your IT band, you may well find that your knee doesn't actually touch the floor. That's absolutely fine. Go to that point where you feel there's a stretch but it's fairly comfortable and you can cope with it. Don't push yourself because you feel like the knee should be touching the floor. So keep within your limits. You may well feel a stretch through the side of the hip, down the side of the thigh and possibly into your lower back, but you shouldn't feel any sharp pains. You want to be holding that stretch for a good 30 seconds and repeating on each side. If you find that they are very restricted through that side of the thigh, you may find that just holding yourself in that position without your foot on the top, so if we take the foot down and allow the knee to lift slightly, then you might find that that position there is a lot easier to maintain. So work within your own limits, keep repeating it until you feel able to drop that knee down onto the floor. That would be the same technique on the other side.